Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm showing how to make beef fry holy basil. The first we can fry chopped garlic. Like this. We can see into the pan. Fry chopped garlic. After the chopped garlic well done, we add some ingredient that we pound mixture that we can see the yellow color into the pan. But about the ingredient that we pound together like Galanga, turmeric, and garlic. That's garlic we chop garlic, and chili, and lemongrass. Lemongrass we take only the tree and slice it, and cover leaves. All these ingredients we pound together. We can see in the pan. It's yellow color. This is the ingredient that's pound together, and then we fry. We fry it until well cooked. Until well cooked. That we can see the some leaf that into the pan. This is the Kaffir leaves. Kaffir leaves that we forget to pound it, and then we can eat. We can add it into pan like this. And then we can add the fish sauce. Add the fish sauce. After the ingredient is well done, we add the beef meat. The beef meat we slice one. We slice one piece. If you want to make the fried beef with holy basil, we must choose the meat. We find the goat meat, and we fry it, and it tastes delicious. After we add the meat into pan, and we stirring mixture with the ingredient again and again. Let the taste combine each other and to make a delicious food. And then we stirring again. We stirring again. Everyone can make this food. It's easy. After we pound the ingredient already, and then we fry with some ingredient that I showing in this video. We look like delicious. And then we stirring until the food is well done. Stirring again. We can see stirring again. Have some little water into pan. It's good like this, but nothing water, the food is not delicious. After the fry, it's well cooked, and then we add the holy basil leaf. We can see the green color is the holy basil leaf. After we add and stirring it again and again, and it it has it has a good smell. Yeah, it has good smells from the holy basil leaf. Yeah. After that, we taste it. Yeah, we taste it. Yeah, we taste it. Yeah. Yeah, we taste it. If we if the food short any ingredient or grocery, we can add by your favorite. Or this food we can add some vegetable that you want, but I make with holy basil leaves only. It's better. Okay, but at finish time. Okay, thank you for watching and good luck to everyone and every family. Okay, bye bye.